well as potential training thunderstorms may The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oldham County, northwestern Potter County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Valley de Oro, or 14 miles northeast of Vega, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Valley de Oro. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Oldham and Potter.